Double whammy alert, fam! Tikoy for Chinese New Year plus chocolates for Valentine's. Ang tanong ng lahat, Doc, paano naman ang sugar at BP ko?
Hi fam, it's Doc Reggie. Grabe ang week na to. Salubong ang swerte at ang pag-ibig. Pero as your doc gets lost, I'm here to make sure hindi maligaw ang health habits nyo sa gitna ng selebrasyon. Tip number 1, sa tikoy, remember, sticky is tricky. It's pure carbs and sugar, so limit it to 1 or 2 slices lang. Huwag gawing kanin. Tip number 2, for Valentine's, go for dark chocolate. At least 70% cocoa. It's actually good for the heart and helps with your mood. Antioxidants for the win. And since it's a long weekend, why not go for a wellness day? Instead of just a heavy dinner, maglakad-lakad kayo sa park or explore a new space in the metro. Movement is the best gift you could give your heart. Kung saan man kayo mapadpad ngayong Love Luck weekend, stay healthy and stay happy. Gong si Fa Chai and happy Valentine's, fam! Tara, ligaw touring tayo!